Hey y'all, so I'm really excited about this video. This is going to be my first Get Ready With Me. Basically, there's a holiday party tomorrow. Y'all ever heard of Friendsgiving? So me and my girls are going to do Sisgiving. Yes. So for this occasion, we've been asked to wear shades of nude. So I went to one of my go-to websites, which is Fashionova, and I found two new outfits that are really super different, but both me. And I could not decide which one to wear. So I'm coming to you all and I'm going to show you the outfits that I got. And I want y'all to let me know which y'all like the best. This is all the things I bought from Fashion Nova. I got some jewelry, the two outfits, I got some shoes. These here are my shoes that I think might go with my second outfit or whichever order, so I got some options, so just get ready with me. now that my makeup is done, I'm going to go ahead and get into my outfits. So for the eye, I did do a little bit more than I planned. I used Maybelline Total Temptation. I had this for a few years. I don't know too much about it, honestly, but that's what I used, Maybelline Total Temptation. Also used the Maybelline New York, this one. Okay, now let's get into these outfits. This is outfit number one. This is a one-piece dress, long sleeve, back out. I really like it. It displayed the color nude. It's a little more brown than that. And also there were no bra pads, so I actually had my own. But other than that, I really like the dress. And these shoes were only like $11 on sale. All of this is on sale. Fashionova always has sales, so sis, catch the sale. But yeah. Yeah, these shoes, honestly, I feel like these shoes make the dress. I was a little iffy, but now I think just because these shoes, and these are shoes I normally don't wear, but they just almost look perfect with this dress or this type of dress. So I'm so glad I got them. So this is a very, very strong contender. It's honestly like you can just light up the room in this dress. Like, look at this sparkle. This just unsolicited, effortless sparkle. Real quick, is a gold jumpsuit. Hey! Well, it's kind of like nude. Let me not say gold because the color scheme is nude. But I wanted to zoom in real quick because I got this necklace from Fashionova. Bruh, it's like 5 different necklaces in one. I kind of shouldn't be complaining, but it's like so difficult to put on. Okay, there we go. Put that in there. Okay. Alright, now let's get to these others. So this is basically a nice layered necklace. This is one of those outfits that's not necessarily dressy. You know, it's one of those outfits that can be dressed up or can be dressed down. So I felt like this 5-layer necklace would help dress it up more. And I didn't see any shoes on Fashionova that I wanted to get that might go with this because I already had a couple pairs and I wanted to try those on. This pair of earrings I got because it matched a pair of my shoes. And I figure, you know, this is basic, so to speak, so why not glam it up with like a diamond look? And one of my shoes are full diamonds. So I'm gonna see how these go with the earrings and this outfit. If not, I also have a pair of black shoes. And if none of these go, I also have a pair of nude shoes I probably should try. So all together, this is how the necklace looks. And now let me show you the whole fit. Yo, is there a time at this party where I can just go do a quick outfit change? Cause this is so cute. It's like, I don't know about these shoes. I'm gonna get to that. But The jumper itself, I really like. It's like, at first I thought maybe I could, maybe I could stand to go down a size, but I actually like it. I think it's supposed to be a little bit baggy. So I really like that. And I just like the color. I like the feel. It feels real good, real comfy. It's getting a little brisk outside, so it's really nice. Let me put my hair down and see. I love them both. What do you think about the earrings and shoes with this though? I don't know if it's the right fit. So let me try the black ones. A quick glance at these earrings. They are very nice. This is a clash. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna try the nude ones. They're also open toe. So with the dress, I felt like a closed toe would be really nice. For this, I'm feeling open toe. But maybe I could be wrong. I don't think so though. But let me try the nude ones. I think we have a winner. I should have just went with the nude on nude. From the get-go, from the jump. Nude, nude, boom. Y'all, I will say, I could go to sleep in this thing. It is so comfortable. But that dress is so pretty, and it's like, we gonna have our photo ops. So it's like, I just don't know. I will tell you one thing. I'm ready to get the sis-giving though. Y'all, I had so much fun making this video. Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know which one y'all think I'm gonna wear. And also, let me know which one is y'all fave. I mean, they both cute. I mean, I gotta admit, I bought them both. If y'all wanna see more Get Ready With Me videos, let me know. And thanks for just being a part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. So with that being said, I hope you all have an amazing holiday season. Bye.